Okay. Maskable. What is maskable meaning? What is the meaning of maskable interrupt? Just now 2 minutes before I repeated. 2 मिनिटापूर्वी सांगितलेलं ऐक कळत नसेल तर मग 2 तास काय करणार आहे? बी लाईक स्वामी विवेकानंद. डू यू नो द स्वामी विवेकानंद? त्याला माहिती आहे? Do you know the person Swami Vivekananda?
Yes,
And what are the qualities of his quality? No one knows Swami Vivekananda. हिस्ट्री कोणाला माहिती नाही का?
माहिती सर.
काय सांगा क्वालिटीज ऑफ स्वामी विवेकानंद?
एकदा वाचलेलं विसरत नव्हतं.
That is correct. Very important. Once he will read something, always he tear that particular page or the book, all this thing. Okay. म्हणजे आपल्याला फाडून टाकायचं नाहीये. बरोबर नाही, आपण लगेच फाडून टाकायचं नाही वाचलेल्या काही गोष्टी. But we should be like a Swami Vivekananda. You can ask me anything from the first lecture of what I taught. I will repeat that point and I will tell that exactly what I taught there. And what was the incident happened on that point also. Okay. So always we should prepare ourselves like a Swami Vivekananda. Means what? What we learn about 2 minutes before, we should understand that. Then only it is useful for your cracking interviews and remembering the things or to enhance your knowledge. कोण सांगते मला मास्केबल मीन्स व्हॉट? Seriousness is and curiosity is required to understand the lecture. Maskable means what? Interrupts which can be disabled or enabled, or simple can interrupts which can be controlled by using the CPU. That is called as a maskable interrupts. Clear? A non-maskable interrupts which cannot be controlled by using the CPU, that comes to the non-maskable interrupts. Okay. Is it okay? Write down. Maskable interrupts dash. Interrupt can be enabled, disabled, or controlled using CPU instructions. That is maskable. And second category is non-maskable. Previous of that. Interrupts which cannot be disabled, enabled using CPU instruction. And then write down these are the 5 interrupts in the 8051. Fast. Over. Over this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next point, we'll try to go with that last part of this. IO ports, input output ports. And all these things we are going to see specifically. Don't worry about that. These things are looking for the ORU. We're writing about the architecture diagram, and it's all the functional blocks information. So it's two easy things there. How many ports are there? 4 ports are there. Port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3. And all the ports are the bidirectional ports. Bidirectional means what? It can act as the input and it can act as the output. Data can be read or data can be write on the port. That is meaning of the bidirectional port. The size of the port will be always 8-bit port is there. All the ports are 8-bit. And total 4 are there means what? 4 into 8. 32 pins are there in that IC for the ports only. And more specifically, port 0 is going to be act as what? Port 0 input output as well as multiplexed lower address data in the address bus. That port 0 is also act as a AD0 to AD7, means lower address in the data bus for the lower address 0 to 7. Same way, port 2 act as a higher address bus only, A8 to A15, and port 0 as port 1 as a itself simple input output port, and the port 3 same way input output as well as control signals. Some control signals are there, TA, transmitters, you read, write, all these things we'll see in the functional pin diagram will be there. Okay, and the last part is as we have the timer blocks. 2 timers are there of size 16-bit, timer 0, timer 1, which act as a counter also. And it has this 31 general purpose register which are of size 8-bit for register banks. All these things we have seen, just things are repeating. 128 user defined flags are there, and data pointer we have seen that DPTR of the 16-bit each. Right, about the port fast. How many ports are there? 4 are there. So question asking MCQs on that. Port 0 act as input output as well as dash lower address, lower data and address, and higher address data, like that. Which is the correct option? Port 0 act as lower address and the data bus, AD0 to AD7. In short line, one line write down. 8051 has the 4 ports, port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3, which is of 8-bit bidirectional, act as either input and output. And how to write input output, we have to see that, we'll see that when the port will come exactly that time. Along with this also write down. Port 0 act as input output as well as port 0 act as input output as well as lower address and the data bus. Lower address and the data bus. Underline that lower address and the data bus. In bracket AD0, capital AD0 dash AD7. Total 16 bits are there for the address bus. Out of that, lower AD0 to 7, 8-bit will be for the port 0. Means port 0 is a dual purpose, it is used. Return. Set la laya, bracket paragraph side la MCQ. Over.
Yes, sir.
Same way, port 2 act as input output as well as same way, port 2 act as input output. Shortcut का input output ला I/O, I/O capital. input output as well as higher address bus. Only higher address bus. Data is not there, but data is only 0 to 7 only. 8-bit data, address 16-bit. That's why port to act as input output as well as higher address bus, A8 to A15. Setla MCQ. Done? Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, last line in that. Port 1 act as only input output and port 1 act as input output only, and port 3 input output along with control pins. Port 1 act as input output only and port 3 input output along with the control signals, we can say, or control pins. Done? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many pins are there for port or now? All ports? Hmm? How many ports are there? Pins are there for 4 ports? आता सांगितले. Each size 8-bit. 8 into 4, 32. Okay. Let's see. We have that point only now. At next point, now architecture is over. We're going for the pin diagram of the 8051. Now things will be repeated now here also, because architecture diagram will come in the pin diagram only. Write down. Next point, pin diagram of pin description of 8051. So things are too easy. Don't try, any logic is not applied to write the pins. I will tell first how to draw the pin out, and then you will draw it. Okay. So we know that the port IC 8051 having the 40 pins are there. So 40 means 20 on the left side and the 20 on the right side. Starting on the top of the left side, 1 to 20 pins on the left side and 21 to 40 on the right side. What you're looking in the diagram. Okay. So port 1 and port 3 lies at the left side. If you observe, you can check that port 1, that is port 1.0, 8-bit is there. That's why 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 to the 1.7 means 1 to 8 pin numbers of the 8051 belong to the port 1 completely. Okay. After that, just pin number 9 is for the receipt pin connected. So remaining pin 10 onwards is for the port 3. So from the pin number 10, so can I remember what? Only pin number 9 is the reset pin, and then port 3 is starting. From what point starting? 3.0. Everybody knows that. 3.0, P3.0 to the P3.7. So up to the 17 pin, these 8 bits are used for the port 3. Okay, and very easy. As I said that last time also, 18 and 19 pin is for the crystal oscillator connection purpose. XTL1 and XTAL2 for connecting the crystal oscillator, and by default always left side 20 number pin always is for the ground pin. Okay, now as I said that port 1 act as only input, doesn't matter any function of that, but port 3 act as what? Input output, as well as it has the some control signals. What for purpose? So P3.0 act as what? For the receive the data. P3.1 act as a transmit the data, transmit from the controller and to receive from the to the controller P3.0. Along with that, P3.2 act as a INT0, that is interrupt, external interrupt for connection the pins. P3.2 INT0, 3.3 INT1, 3.4 T0 T1, that is 3.4 and 3.5 timer flags T0 T1, and the 3.6 and 3.7 write bar and the read bar. These are the some control signal pins are used for that. 8 pins are there for that. Left side is over. Any problem in that? 20 pins. Have understood? Hello.
Yes, sir.
इझी आहे की नाहीये? लक्षात ठेवायचं काय? लेफ्ट साइडला ऑड पोर्ट्स आहेत. ऑड कुठले असतात? 1 and 3. सो टॉपला 1 नंबर पोर्ट आहे आणि बॉटम मध्ये 3 नंबर पोर्ट आहे. आणि राईट साइड 0 आहे वरती. इवन पोर्ट्स आर देअर. पोर्ट 0 and पोर्ट 2. Okay. So port 0 spot starting reverse way at 30 number pin 40 always go to the VCC. From pin number 30 39 the port 0 going to be started P 0.0 to the P 0.7. Time also port 0 act as what? Input output as well as lower address and the data bus, that is 80 to 87. Okay. After that pin number 31 act as EA bar signal external access, and the 30 number pin, very important, act as a ALE bar or the program bar. ALE means what? Address latch enable. As you know that these 80 and address and data bus lower address, it is multiplexed, means they are combined. To separate that address and the data buses, we need to have this address latch enable signal. So when this signal at pin number 30, this ALE bar is generated, ALE signal generated, that time this address and data bus going to be separated. How the will see while accessing the memories in that. Okay, so pin number 30, 31, 30 and 29 are the control signals required for that. And the EA bar is for external access, memory access. Same way, PSEN, that is program store enable, that is also used for the store the data to the external or internal memory. That time this pin is used. Okay. And after that, remaining from 221 to the 28 pins act as a port 2, starting from the below. इथे फक्त उलटा लक्षात ठेवायचं. पोर्ट 0 वरून स्टार्ट होते आणि पोर्ट 2 खालून स्टार्ट होते. So port 2.0, 2.1, 2.3 up to the 2.7. Along with that, it acts as a, as we said, that port 2 act as also higher address bus, that is A8 to the A15. क्लिअर? कळलं सर्वांना? अवघड काय आहे यामध्ये? पिन डिस्क्रिप्शन मध्ये, पिन आउट मध्ये कसं ड्रॉ करायचं कळलं सर्वांना? हॅलो, हॅलो, माय वॉइस इज ऑडिबल?
Yes, sir.
एनी डिफिकल्टी? महेश,
No, sir.
कळलं सर्वांना? वाघमोडे,
Yes, sir.
कळालंय का?
Yes, sir.
ओके. ड्रॉ करताय मग आता पिन्स, डायग्राम ड्रॉ करा. So hereafter you can ask me anytime. I will tell all the pins where it is exactly at pin number, along with the pin number also. This kind of challenges we should take it. From your class, who is having the good handwriting? हँडरायटिंग कुणाचं चांगला आहे एकदम? मी बघितलं 2-3 मुलांचं आहे चांगलं, मला स्क्रीनशॉट पाठवलेले. बॉईज मध्ये कुणाचं चांगला आहे, गर्ल्स मध्ये कुणाचं चांगला आहे? माहिती आहे कोणाला? माहित नाही तुम्हाला? हेच माहित नाहीये. Qualities of a friend. Which student having the very good handwriting? महेशचं नाही, मी बघितलंय महेशचं, मी सांगितलं पण महेशला फीडबॅक. महेश,
हाँ सर. हाँ.
कोणाचं चांगला आहे क्लासमध्ये हँडरायटिंग चांगलं? मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली गर्ल्स मध्ये चांगला असतंय. देशमुख, वैष्णवी, समान.
Yes, sir.
Who is having good handwriting?
सर आम्ही दुसऱ्यांचं बघितलं नाहीये.
का बघितलंय? क्लासमध्ये कळत नाही का? इकडे तिकडे बघितलं असतं की.
नो सर, आम्ही म्हणजे फिजिकली कोणच भेटलं नाही अजून.
अजून भेटलाच नाही तुम्ही एकमेकांना?
नो सर.
आफ्टर फर्स्ट इयर आय थिंक दॅट पॅन्डेमिक वॉज देअर ना, करेक्ट ना? का सेकंड इयर नंतर?
सेकंड पासून सर ब्रांचेस सेपरेट होतात. आधी मिक्स होतं सगळे.
Okay, okay, okay. ठीक आहे. Still, I find some good handwriting there because I want one notebook at the completion of this our subject. I'm keeping always one notebook, good notebook who is writing. Whom I told to use color pens for writing heading, title. I forgot that name. कुणाला सांगितले मी? Use color pens for writing headlines and drawing the diagram. नाही का लेक्चरला असं देते कोण? सांगितलं त्यांना. हॅलो. ठीक आहे. We'll see that. Hereafter we'll send you the screenshot. I'll check that. So I need two notebooks at the completion of this our subject. After your exam only, not before exam. Done this pin out?
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
do
sir.
it, do it. Okay, chalo, do it. Is it boring? Boring झालं का कोणाला? कोणाला बोर झालंय का? While drawing, somebody can take the jokes also, no issue. Because lecture is 2 hours, it may feel boring. वाटतंय कोणाला boring? Hello. कोणाला बोर झालंय का? सर सर्वांनाच झालंय म्हणा, आम्हाला काय आता, तुम्ही तर बसून काय विचारताय? करेक्ट ना? कुणाला काय जोक वगैरे सांगायचं आहे? So that all will be refreshed. This is problem with the student. When the faculty is giving opportunity, like is grasp करून टाकायचं sir, I will tell the jokes. कोण सांगते का? Still not. Done? Pin out is over. Hello. Pin diagram is over.
No, sir.
एवढा टाइम लागतो त्याला काढायला? Logic is there. You should not look for every point on that. Just we have to take the first writing inside the IC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 20 on the left side, and on the right side from 20 to 21 to the 40 on the right side. And things are very easy. 1 to 7 number pin, 1 to 8 number pin is for the port 1. So P1.1, P1.2 dot 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 P1.7 up to 8. Port 1 done. Then only as I told that pin number 9 is for the reset. After that, from 10 onwards, that becomes up to 17 P3.0 to 3.7 port 3. But 3.0, 3.1 like that you have to write. And some additional to it has some control signals: receive, transmit, TI, T0, T1, that things INT0, INT1, and read write. And below that, external crystal oscillator pins XTL1 and 2, and then ground. Left side is over. On the right side, things are too easy. Starting from the bottom, port 2.0, port 2.1, 2, 3, up to 7. Along with this, each port pin act as a 8 to the A15 higher address bus. And after that, pin number 29, PS enable, program store enable, then ALE and EA bar, external access, 29, 30, 31. Always remember the ELE bar, pin number 30, 31 EA bar, 29 PS enable. And for remaining that, port 0, starting from the top side. And the port is VCC. Done? Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Boys side? Power?
Yes, sir.
पॉवर कोणतर पॉवर आहे क्लासमध्ये आपल्या? झालंय का? हॅलो, कोण आहे पॉवर? बघूया, आपण लगेच बघूया कुठे गेला का पळून. आणि बघा, आज पॉवरच अब्सेंट आहे. पी कोण दिसत नाही मला. शुभम सर्वसे नाही, पवार कोण दिसत. ठीक आहे. So this, as I explained, these are the pins, and each pin we have this explanation of that. We'll go with that first. Pin number 1 to 8, as I mentioned that. कोण सांगते pin number 1 to 8 like काय ते? दिलेच इथं. It acts as the port 1. Left side. कुठे location? Left side top. Okay, 1 to 8 pins are for the port 1, and the port 1 can act as a input output port only. It can be configured as the input, it can be configured as the output. To become it as the input, data must be written on that port is going to be 1 high level data. And to act as output, it becomes writing the data on that 0 0. Means if you want to use the port as the input port, how to use? We have to configure first by sending the high level signal, that is 1 1 on the port. How to write? Simple is logic is there. Move P0, comma 0 F or FF. FF we can write on that. And if simple single pin is that P0.1 like that, that particular data can be written for that 0102 like that. Then port pin number 10 to pin number 17 is for what? Port 3, 3.0 to the 3.7, and that pins act as what? Again, 8-bit bidirectional IO ports. And same way, all ports can be configured as an output by writing 0 on that, and all ports can be configured as the input by writing 1 on that. And additionally, these port 3 act as what? Some control signals. The port 1 also and port 3 also, it has internal pull-up resistors. So what is concept of internal pull-up resistors or external? We'll see. Except port 0. Port 0 don't have the internal pull-ups. Other all ports are the internal pull-ups. So when we use the 8051 for our programmer project, we need to connect the external pull-up resistors at the port 0. Why? We'll see exactly port structure when we use that time only. Okay. So just remember that, but the things are not required to write down this. But in question, it is asking what is the pin number, control pins are there. We ask for the pin number 10 to pin number 17. Explain it. How will explain this? This acts as a port 3 along with bidirectional ports. Writing 1 on that becomes input port. Writing 0 on that becomes output port. And along with this, it acts as some control signals. That is port 0 or 3.0 as a receive, transmit, then INT0, INT1, TIT0, like that. These questions are asking for the 4 marks. Explain the describe the pin diagrams of the 8051. Is it okay? Hello. कळलंय का तुम्हाला? Hello. My voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
So we're talking about pin number 1 to 8 and then up to 17. Then next pin is for 212 to 8. From the right side, from the bottom 21 number pin to the 28 becomes port 2. Okay, so 2.0 to the 2.7, and we know that what this port acts as, again same, it acts as a bidirectional port, and it has interpol of resistors, and along with this port input output, it acts as an again higher address higher address bus. It is A8 to A15. Then pin number 32 to the pin number 39, that act as a port 0 from P0.0 to the P0.7, and it acts as an again 8-bit bidirectional port, that is input output. To make it is input, writing 1 on that. To make it is output, writing 0 on that. And same way, along with this, it acts as a lower address as well as data bus, AD0 to AD7. This thing are written also. Okay. Then 40 number supply voltage, 20 number PSS ground, and 9 number reset pin. Okay, and the reset condition, what it does, it is written here also. Is in that PC program counter goes to exactly 0, stack pointer value becomes 07H. And by default, register bank going to be selected 0 or 0 bank selected. Then pin number 18, 19 is for the connecting external crystal oscillator from 0 to 24 megahertz. That is usually for the connection at the pin number 17, 18. Sorry, 18, 19. Then 32, 39 pin as the control pins. How it is repeated? Port 0 we have seen just now, no? Here only we have seen the, again it is repeated here. Huh? Okay, pin number 40 VCC ground we have seen this. We are back. Okay, so remaining pins that is not mentioned, 30, 29, 30, 31. It is PS program status enable, a address latch enable, and external access. These pins are missing here. And how these pins are used, it is mentioned. Next point is there, we'll see that point also. This is about the pin description of that. Next point will be that starting with the memory location. Shall we stop it here? I think you are too bored now because of 2 hours continuous. थांबायचं का पुढे बघायचं आहे? हॅलो,
थांबू सर.
मला वाटलंच होतं थांबा म्हणणार तुम्ही. ठीक आहे, we'll stop it, no issue in that, because when we have the continuous hours, it will be a little bit heavy to digest. ठीक, I'll stop sharing. But what was the things we have seen? Please write in note down and send me the screenshot of that. What was the way in the today's lecture? And please don't. We have not taken this pin description, all this thing, but it is asking an exam. So I think you have the PPTs. Go with 3 once. Just write the important points from the pin in the short. That will be homework. Okay. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Did 13 na? Ha. Chalo, put your numbers. Number 1. Fast, huh? Don't waste time now. Number 1, absent. 2. Reply fast. 2 is there. 3 is. Say yes and put the number. 3, 4. Number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 absent. 9, 10. Yeah, immediately you should put the numbers. 9 absent. 12. Go ahead fast. Good. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 15 absent, 15. 19, 20, 21, 22. 20 is there, 21 is there, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 26 is not there, absent. 28, 29, 30, 31, fast, 30 absent. 33, 34, 35, 36, 34, absent. 35 absent. 36 is there. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 38 is not there. 39, 39, 40, 40, 41, 40, 41, 42, 43, 40, 41, 42 is not, 41 is there. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 44 is not there. 5, 6, 7, 8 is there. 49, 49, absent. 50, 50 is absent. 51 is absent. 15 is there? No one is there. So it was absent number 1, 9, 15, 26, 30, 34, 35, 38, 40, 41, 43, 44, 49, 50, 51. Sure, if somebody is missing, you can put here. We'll stop it here. Done, everyone? Hello? Done?
Yes, sir.
Sure, ठीक.